Now that we have corrected page 100, open your book to page 172. There you will see some listening activities along with some pictures. So this is page 172. Lesson 4. Take a phone message. Life skills. 1. Take a phone message. Look at the picture. Guess, why is the woman calling the school? Here we have a picture. We have what looks like to be a receptionist in an office. And she is saying Winter Hill Elementary School. This looks like it's a parent who is calling the office at Winter Hill Elementary School. So why is the woman calling the school? Any guesses? We're going to listen to the conversation. As we listen to the conversation, look at these two messages. It says, read the phone messages. After listening to the conversation, we have to circle the number of the correct message. So you have message 1 and message 2. So let's listen to the conversation between this woman and this woman so that we can hear why they are talking.
Page 172. Take a phone message. Exercises B and C.
Winter Hill Elementary School.
Hello, this is Elsa Vega. May I speak to Mr. Taylor, please?
I'm sorry, he's not available right now. May I take a message?
Yes, please. I have a question about my daughter Maria's math homework. Please ask him to call me back.
Sure. What's your number?
It's 718-555-4343.
Okay, I'll give him the message.
Thank you.
So you can pause the video and listen to that message again on your own if you need to. But here we have two different messages. So this is the mother of Maria. And if you heard correctly, she's calling Mr. Taylor to ask about some math homework. So which message is correct? This is the message that the receptionist wrote for Mr. Taylor. So here you will see that it says date 3/9 or March 9th, time 1:15, to Mr. Taylor, while you were out, from Elsa Vega, Maria's teacher, phone 718-555-4343, message, will call back. Here we have yet another message, date 3/9 or March 9th, 1:15, to Mr. Taylor, while you were out, from Elsa Vega, Maria's mom, phone 718-555-4343, message, please call back. So circle the number of the correct message. Which message is correct? Well, if you look at the differences between the two, they're both from Mr. Taylor. This one says that it's from Elsa Vega, Maria's teacher, and this one says that it's from Elsa Vega, Maria's mom. The other difference is the message. Will call back and please call back. So these are two different messages. If this is correct, then that means that Maria's teacher will call back. But if this one's correct, then that means that Maria's mom is asking Mr. Taylor, please call back. So the correct answer here is number 2. The phone call is from Maria's mom, and she wants Mr. Taylor to call her back at this number. So the correct answer is number 2, not number 1. Now let's listen to Mr. Taylor. Mr. Taylor's returning Miss Vega's call. Miss Vega's son Beto answers the phone and takes a message. Complete the message. So here we have a message that Beto writes down after talking to Mr. Taylor. But we have to listen to the message to hear what they say to each other. So pay attention to what Mr. Taylor tells Beto in this message.
Page 172. Take a phone message. Exercise D.
Hello?
Hi. May I please speak with Ms. Vega?
I'm sorry. She isn't here right now. May I take a message?
Yes, please. This is Mr. Taylor from Winter Hill Elementary School. Please ask her to call me back.
Okay. What's your number?
My number is 718-555-8185.
718-555-8185. All right. I'll give her the message.
Thank you.
So you heard the message. Beto makes a message. He writes down the message here. So we have to fill in the blank. So Beto is saying, Mom, blank called. Please call him back. His number is blank, Beto. So we have to fill in the answers. So who called? Well, we know that Mr. Taylor called. So it's Mr. Taylor. And I do apologize for my terrible writing. But the message is from Mr. Taylor. And I'm just copying as it's written there, Mr. Taylor. Please call him back. His number is, so if you heard correctly, he said that his number is 718. He said 555. 8185. So he gave his phone number to Beto. And that was his number. 718-555-8185. So the complete message that Beto leaves for his mother. Mom, Mr. Taylor called. Please call him back. His number is 718-555-8185. Beto. So those were some listening activities, and this is good for you to practice taking phone messages and listening to phone numbers. Usually in English, when we are speaking fluently, we read this a lot faster, but it's good to practice and be able to capture this information. So those were our listening activities.